Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reorder the links in your Instagram bio, updated for the latest version of the app on Android. Whether you want to highlight your website, promote your latest project, or just keep your links organized, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done in just a few taps. First, grab your Android device and open up the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to update your bio links. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It should be right under your bio and profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see several options for editing your profile details. Find the section labeled Links and tap on it. This is where all the links you've added to your bio are stored. At the top right corner of the Links page, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap on those dots to open up more options. From the menu that appears, select Reorder Links. You'll now see a list of all your current bio links. To change the order, simply press and hold the link you want to move, then drag it up or down to your preferred position. This makes it easy to prioritize your most important links and keep your profile looking fresh. Once you're happy with the new order, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. That's it! Your Instagram bio links are now updated and arranged exactly how you want them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.